Welcome to SimpliSafe.
SimpliSafe is a pioneer in wireless home security. It's engineered to deliver robust, whole home protection, and yet it's surprisingly simple to install and use. More than 1 million homes and over 100,000 businesses are protected by SimpliSafe. Our award-winning systems are made up of an arsenal of sensors, sirens, smart locks, and cameras that blend seamlessly into any style and size home and help protect every inch of it. And it's all backed by professional monitoring, a team of individuals who are trained to keep you and your family safe by ensuring emergency responders get to your home quickly when you need them most. At SimpliSafe, our goal is simple: to make sure you always feel safe by keeping you safe.
SimpliSafe on.